Horoscope, where we tell you your future.
Sagittarius man and Taurus woman nature. This is an amalgamation of the fiery Sagittarius and the earthy Taurus, who have a great chance of being in a beautiful relationship together, which will have an optimistic impact on the Sagittarius man Taurus woman love compatibility. The earth element in the Taurus woman makes her down to earth, sensible and a very reliable person, whereas the fire element in the Sagittarius male makes him a very creative, independent and an enthusiastic person. The Sagittarius man is ruled by the planet of Jupiter, also known as the king of the gods, and signifies an outgoing personality who is social, open-minded, kind-hearted and intellectual. While the Taurus female is ruled by the planet of Venus, which represents matter related to love and money, they are also sensual, romantic and emotionally strong in nature, apart from being a bit stubborn and staunch. There is a natural inclination between these two zodiac signs as they blend well together, making the Sagittarius man Taurus woman compatibility stronger and more reliable, which is a must in a relationship. Sagittarius man and Taurus woman, the love affair. There is a tremendous possibility for the Sagittarius male and Taurus female to get along well in a relationship like this. The Sagittarius man is usually someone who refrains from getting involved in the marriage aspect of love and romance, as he believes in being in the present. But if the partner is a Taurus female, then a lot of emphasis may have to be given to marriage in the relationship. The Taurus personality female adores a lot of qualities which the Sagittarius man exhibits. Being honest, a visionary and intelligent communicator and smart are some that she acknowledges. She also likes the fact that he dreams big and has a very pleasing and a positive attitude towards life, which makes him an ideal companion for her. The Sagittarius male is a very loyal and a faithful partner who may consider this as a serious love relationship. He is also very genuine, straightforward and forthright in his characteristics, which makes the love affair more stronger. On the other hand, the Sagittarius female is very compassionate, who will give her best to work out the relationship in the best possible way and be a devoted companion. Therefore, the Sagittarius man and Taurus woman love compatibility will reach the pinnacle and in turn get them more closer to each other as companions for life. Important traits of a Sagittarius man in relationship to a Taurus woman. A Sagittarius man is a free spirit. He likes to do what he wants when he wants. A frequent traveler, he does not like to be tied down to one place. A Sagittarius man is honest to a fault and he says what is on his mind no matter what. In another sign, this might be unthinkably rude, but a Sagittarius man has such a cheerful and a pleasant manner that it is difficult to be angry with him. With respect to relationships, a Sagittarius man tends to be rather reluctant. He will date casually, but he is not keen on making commitments. For him to settle down with someone, he needs to be convinced that she will not restrict his freedom. As any relationship means compromise, this will mean that he needs to think that life will be more interesting with her than without her. Important traits of a Taurus woman in relation to a Sagittarius man. A Taurus woman is very traditional in her lifestyle and her beliefs. She loves security and she hates change. In order to make her life as predictable as possible, a Taurus woman will create routines and stick to them. There is nothing so unsettling to her as changes to her schedule or her routine. She believes in marriage, and it is common for a Taurus woman to marry early in life to someone she has known for a long time. Although she wants and needs security, a Taurus woman is not clingy or emotional about it. Taurus is an earth sign and is extremely practical and pragmatic. She is possessive of a partner and well known for her jealousy, but she is happy to let him do what he likes so long as he does not cheat and so long as he comes home on a regular basis. Sagittarius man Taurus woman dating and early stages of the relationship. It is highly unlikely that a Sagittarius man and Taurus woman will even think of dating each other. The possibility is greater than it would be for a Taurus man and Sagittarius woman, but the chance of them getting together is still very slow. A Taurus woman does not stand out in a crowd and she does not initiate contact with men. She may think a Sagittarius man is amusing and enjoy his jokes, but she generally will not think of him as a potential partner. A Sagittarius man is unlikely to notice a Taurus woman. He is not one to look for romance in the first place, and he tends to be attracted to women who are feisty and talkative. Neither of these traits applies to a Taurus woman. One thing that will interest him in her is that she won't try to flirt with him in any way. A Sagittarius man does not like to be chased by women, and there is nothing that will trigger his instinct to run away more than someone going after him or trying to cling to him. If they go against the odds and do start dating, they will need to spend a lot of time negotiating and working through their very different needs and expectations in a relationship. The good news is that a Sagittarius man enjoys negotiating and creating rules for this relationship, and a Taurus woman will settle into almost any routine so long as there is some degree of predictability to it. Sagittarius man Taurus woman sexual compatibility. A Sagittarius man and Taurus woman are not really compatible in the bedroom, but there is a chance that they will be able to work things out in this area of their life together. One of the things that will help is that for them to have even gotten this far, they would have had to have made a decision that they wanted to be together. This also means that in spite of the odds, they found each other extremely attractive. A Taurus woman is very sensual and gets great enjoyment out of physical pleasures. She is a little more flexible with respect to sex than she is in many other areas of her life, but she still wants stability and predictability. A Sagittarius man is adventurous and likes to try many different things. As difficult as this problem can be, it is very possible for them to negotiate their wants and needs and have a happy sex life. Sagittarius man Taurus woman marriage and family life. If a Sagittarius man and Taurus woman do get together and the relationship survives long enough for them to marry, the chances of them staying together greatly increases. They will have to spend a lot of time talking and negotiating, and they will have to have really wanted to be together. Even so, married life will be a challenge for them. Specifically, married life will be a challenge for him. Sagittarius men are notoriously allergic to commitment, and a Taurus woman will expect commitment. It will be very hard for him to not chafe a domestic life with one woman. This would be a challenge even with the most compatible partner who enjoys adventures as much as he did. With a Taurus woman, it will be a constant struggle. One thing that will make it easier is that beyond a general sense of commitment, a Taurus woman will not make any demands upon him. Although she wants a husband, she does not necessarily want one who is constantly around and interfering with her routines or ways of doing things. If they have children, they will need to negotiate their roles as parents in the same way they will have to negotiate everything else about their lives together. In particular, he must settle down enough to help with the parenting responsibilities, especially when the children are younger. If he does not, she will be left shouldering the lion's share of their care, which could lead to resentment and a sense of alienation between him and his children. Typical fights between a Sagittarius man and a Taurus woman and how to resolve them. Despite their differences, a Sagittarius man and Taurus woman will not fight much at all. In many ways, they do not have enough in common to find something to fight about. He is who he is, and she is who she is. They will either find a way to be together in a way that accommodates both their needs and desires, or they will not. Also, neither of them are prone to make a fuss. If things do not work out between them, he will likely want to leave. She will balk at first, even if she is no longer in love with him either, because this would mean a change. Eventually, though, she will accept it and move on. This being the case, they will either stay together peacefully or they will have an amicable breakup. Pros of the Sagittarius-Taurus compatibility. Taurus and Sagittarius are both very different individuals, and thus their relationship is balanced in the true sense of the word. They bring in two very different approaches to their bond. This helps them develop a new perspective and to grow as human beings in each other's company. Sagittarius brings an uninhibited energy and enthusiasm in the silent world of the bull. Taurus, on the other hand, brings a stabilizing influence into the Sagittarian's mind, helping the latter to curb its volatile recklessness. Thus, they both help each other develop into more rounded and likable individuals. Cons of the Sagittarius-Taurus compatibility. When a fire sign and an earth sign combine, a clashing of their belief systems is imminent. They will not sync with each other naturally and will need to work on building the right dynamic between them. The moody behavior of the Sagittarian will be abhorred by the bull, whereas the stubborn pride of the latter will frustrate the archer to no ends. Taurus prefers to run away from any situation that might breed drama, while Sagittarius is generally loud and dramatic in everything that it does. Sagittarius has a flaring and unpredictable temper that can burst at any given moment. Taurus, on the other hand, is a sign that will not hold back from saying harsh words when spurred. Thus, the arguments and squabbles between these two signs will take ugly turns more often than not, and that will make it all the more difficult for the pair to move on from such instances. Sagittarius man and Taurus woman level of understanding. There is a great sense of mutual understanding between the Sagittarius male and Taurus female, though there may be instances where the Taurus woman is not very jealous but really possessive about him in the relation. She may not like the fact that he goes out with his female friends, leaving her alone at her place. This is a big mistake which he may have to repay for in the future. She will have to take care that she does not pay much attention to the frank nature that he possesses and instead fill the gap with trust and love to witness a beautiful relationship in the times ahead. The same has to be implemented by the Sagittarius male, and also take care that he does not become very frank with females, and perhaps make sure that he showers more love on her to make her realize that she is the only one that matters. These small adjustments will make him more zealous and sincere, and she in turn will pour a lot of love and romance in the astrology relationship compatibility. He will acknowledge her all the more when he sees the support and adherence. They may also lead a great physical relationship in bed. The male Sagittarius is sensually aroused by the submissive Taurus, who will make her feel desirous. On the other hand, the female Taurus will ignite the passion inside him to make each other satisfied. They just need to understand each other's sexual needs, which may differ, but once they act accordingly, they will lead a very happy sexual life as well, which will add positivity to the Sagittarius man and Taurus woman compatibility that they will share. Sagittarius man and Taurus woman benefits and challenges. Both the Sagittarius male and Taurus female form a great love match and will lead a happy life together if certain aspects of the relation are taken care of. Then the Sagittarius man compatibility with Taurus woman will unquestionably be a fruit-bearing association for both of them. The Sagittarius male looks for someone with whom he can share his adventures for sports, go for trekking, share ideas and opinions, which the Taurus female will always be ready for, as she is also a nature lover. She may not be able to live up to the spontaneity and enthusiasm with which he works, which may disturb him sometimes. She is not very expressive, and that may create a problem, as well as he is totally of the opposite nature and will logically try to analyze the situation to understand the same. If these Sagittarius and Taurus try to apprehend with each other and work on their individual shortcomings along with being patient, the compatibility of Sagittarius man and Taurus woman will see a very bright and benevolent future together.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.